All right. So spreadsheet software presents data in form of a table that can be rearranged for better presentation and easier analysis. For instance, whatever industry you guys will end up, you have to work with different types of data set, and you have to always come up with wonderful analysis as a young professional. So Microsoft Excel will help you to do this kind of work pretty easily. So there are different types of spreadsheet softwares, to see what are the closest competitors of Microsoft Excel. If you guys go to that link, and you will see these are the pretty closest competitor of Microsoft Excel. It depends on organizations, and or it depends on the ecosystem of the technological architecture of a company. So pretty much all are same. Probably the names are different, or the functionalities are a little bit different. Each and every spreadsheet software, it has their own types of um, specialties. We don't need to go for big debate which one is best, which one is we should learn. Whatever we learn, we can always branch out from the knowledge from one of the spreadsheet softwares. Microsoft Excel, the Microsoft Excel always, Microsoft ecosystem, they always, they are very agile ecosystem. They adopt different types of technology and different types of distribution systems. For instance, if you guys remember few years back, if you go to any kind of computer store, you used to purchase a CD or DVD of Microsoft Office products. But at this moment, you don't probably see them. At this moment, if you have an account of Microsoft 365, yeah, and if you can purchase a subscription, uh, and you have access to all sorts of service and solutions. So the software's ecosystems and software companies, they are changing the business model. They are in majority companies around the world. They're using this kind of software model, like software as a service. So that whatever software you will use, you will use a subscription, and you will pay them money. So this is their business model. So Microsoft as well adopt this wonderful opportunity to maximize their money, and to maximize their profitability as well. So this is basically cloud-based solution. So Microsoft also, it has server-based software as well. Today we'll work with Microsoft Excel, and predominantly we'll introduce different types of ribbons. What are they? There are, this is called like the file, home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, add-ins, and help. This is called different types of ribbons. So it has wide usage. Day by day, the usage of Microsoft Excel's ribbons are really rigorous. Um, what is happening, this kind of ribbons option started, Microsoft started using this thing from 2007. And they're updating. Microsoft Excel is there, but based on the usability, based on the user demand, every version they are kind of try to experiment something new. So this is the you know this is the development of user experience. So in the file options, we can see there are different types of options, like we can create new worksheet from here. We can go to the info option. From the info option, you can see lots of other options as well. Protect, we can protect our workbook. Why we need to protect our workbook? So that we can um, make less error in our data set. There are different types of options to protect workbook, like people who can see the data, they cannot change the data. In that case, we always use open read only, then encrypt with password. Like we can protect our workbook by giving different types of password. Then protect current sheet, like in a Excel worksheet, there are different types of sheets open. Like if you would like to protect on any particular sheet, in that case we use this thing. Then protect workbook structure, then restrict access. So in an organization, you have accounts, finance, marketing, and management team. Probably for any kind of report, not everyone need access. You can restrict access to any kind of consolidated statement, and mark as final. This is really very important. Like for instance, whenever you work as a team, it really helps after editing several times, which document is the latest documents, you can mark from here. So then we are going to the save option. You have different types of locations. You can save it in your personal OneDrive, then your computer or some other locations or different server, whatever you can combine. You can go from here. You can go to the print. We have completely a full lecture regarding the printing documents. This is really very important. Share, you can share the Excel workbook with a different way, with Excel, with an email and with an PDF. You can go there. Then export is getting really in different level. We have different types of format of sharing our workbook. We can use the text, we can use CSV, or any kind of template format. It has its own usage. We'll discuss this kind of options slowly with whenever any options is appropriate. Publishing, see, like probably a couple of updates back, or a couple of a couple of session backs, this option was not there in Microsoft Power BI, since Microsoft created their own business intelligence tool. So in their own ecosystem, from Microsoft Excel to, you can directly connect this document with Microsoft Power BI. So this is also getting very popular around the different types of organizations around the world. You can upload your workbook to Power BI, then export workbook data to Power BI. Like different way you can connect with that thing. You can close it from here, from this option, and this is closed. So we can then go again, and we can see account. So I told you Microsoft is like, this is a cloud based system. Like I have my university um, you know account. so I still use that software in my computer. Like, so this is why I can access this kind of premium facilities, and you can also give the feedback. And finally, you can also work with different types of options: data proofing, save, language, and so on and so forth. So this is the Microsoft Ribbon thing. In this the different types of screenshots I gave on this slides. You guys can go ahead and check it with your Excel, and this is the documents I cited. And thank you very much.